He's trying to go on Roger's head.
Yeah, that hurts him.
He doesn't know what he wants. He's such a crazy little birdie.
What are you doing?
That crazy thing is following me. Because he's looking at Roger's head. Uh oh, Mama, get him.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, comb your hair.
He's trying to get on your head.
You trying to give me a hairdo? You trying to give me a hairdo? Wee.
Look at you, little birdie. He's 4 or 5 months old right now. You can close to the mic. Yeah. He's such a sweet little bird. But
I'm gonna clean my fingernails now.
He cleans people's fingernails, whatever they want.
Now he's gonna do a manicure.
Ooh. He's playing with the
Now he's trying to tell time.
He likes to tell time. He likes to pick up Roger's watch and take the stem out so he can stop time. You like stopping time.
Close to shiny stuff.
He likes shiny. Ooh, he's shiny.
Good boy.
Look how long his feathers are.
Nicky.
See?
Put your tail.
Pulled your tail.
Yeah, put your tail. What? We're going. You going, Mommy? You get Mommy. You get Mommy.
Hi. 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 How are you? Eagle. Nope, don't want me.
He looks like a teenage. Ah, he's getting Roger's hair. And those glasses.
Oh, geez.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Nicky?
He's gonna make a mess in her hair.
She's making a mess of Roger's hair. Oh.
He's brushing his hair.
Time gave me a hairdo.
He started doing everything. He's getting him off the necklace.
Don't you break it.
He likes to get shiny things.
Hey, boy. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. What you doing? What you doing, boy? What you doing?
Why are you taking it away from him?
Because he's in the way in the camera line, in the camera shot. Except everybody's your buddy.
What you doing?
Well, I think this is it for the night. I'm going to go to bed soon. Or I think parents are going to bed soon.
What you doing?
So, good night,
What you
everyone.
doing? What?